Some people shy and feel uncomfortable when they communicate, they feel depressed, and hence they prefer to live their life alone. Well, in our society, people give importance to the people or the person who do an efficient communication, but some of us just can't. In this episode of Mr. Topper's Countdown, you learn how to do it more correctly. Welcome to Mr. Topper's Countdown, a countdown which goes from the bottom to the top in the search of perfection in them. Our today's topic is top 10 ways to make an efficient communication. Yes. So, in our day-to-day life, communication, we doesn't feel much interruption, can we? Especially when we talk with our friends, colleagues about something. But when it comes to stage, things aren't get easy as it sounds like. We can feel normal and we feel nervous. If you want to be leader, stay tuned till the end. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe our channel and become a part of our YouTube family. So starting with number 10 is reading books. Reading is a boon for the communication and it helps dramatically, nourishing all the aspects for requiring good communication and clear all your doubts and makes you more smart, which you require the most. Number 9 is know your audience. You have to know that where are they from, which language they prefer, education level, and many more of it, which you can adjust to your level up to. It's an important factor if you want to and build an influence upon the audience. They feel very bored if they aren't doing understand very well. It's just take a little research to dig basically which will happy by results. Number 8 is avoid using long words. Well, long words make and fuzzy and have not a good impression out of it. Solution for it, simply plug for more familiar and easy to understand words. People love to hear if you are more understandable and you can attract more audience just by using this simple trick. And number 7 is listen more. It is important. Listening plays an vital when you communicate. Whether you want to convey your message, first you have to listen what the other party says to you. Keep an interaction healthy and try to maintain interest. Don't get frustrated shortly when it makes you signs for disagreement for the other person. But if you follow the result, you'll always be in your favor. Now, number 6 is update your vocabulary. People nowadays love to hear new and interesting words, which marks the level of your knowledge. We already mentioned reading on number 10, but updating vocabulary is a different thing. For this, you have to acquire knowledge in dictionary and other stuff like philosophy books and maintain a good level of vocabulary out of it. Now, number 5 is attend seminars. Attending seminars can give you a practical example of how things are going and how to respond on stage. By visiting them, you can actually become more adaptable and for that situation. You can also examine the speaker's movement and body language of them and notice the key factor for a successful speaking skills, like professionals always do in them. Now, number 4 is dress well. Dressing sense is an important which is most of the people neglected. It is boost up your confidence and level and your standard also. Just adding for some few accessory and enhance your speaking on another level so that the audience will take you serious and you can perform well. And there are a lot of choice out there so that you can perform right in your ultimate show time. Yes. Now, number 3 is enjoy your interaction. You have to maintain an atmosphere of happiness and curiosity in your speech by asking some random question to cracking simple jokes. The audience disagree with a silent and pale speaker, which they won't give a shit about it. By some sort of preparation about it, you can make your audience agree with you and become a star out of this conversation. You might get this type of trick in your DJs and other stuff. Number 2 is keep a smile. Smiling is a must-do thing while you make a conversation. Some cause might be neglected, but in reality it shows the interest and your confidence also. Don't get fear of it. Be the one who face it, and you have to step upon your shyness. You have to make overcome for it. Now, the first is do mirror practice. Mirror practice is a scientifically proven way to exert all your mistakes, errors, while you speak in front of or just a mirror. It's a self-judging method where you can yourself correct your own mistake without anybody's opinion about it, so that you can perform well in your. With these bold tips, you can be a bold speaker and influence your words worldwide with the most powerful communication and convey your message all around the worldwide, which you always want to be. Well, thanks for watching this video of another episode of Mr. Topper's Countdown. We'll catch you later. Thank you.